Good evening, sir. My name is Medel, and my group is Jared, Apon, and Bert Ebrada. So, our project is Task Flow, a simple to-do list system. So, introduction. Managing daily tasks sometimes can be stressful, especially when things start up pile up. Many existing task management systems are too complicated or overwhelming for users. This project aims to develop a simple user-friendly web-based to-do list system that helps users to stay organized throughout a variety. Background of the study. Background of the study. This project based on a base human computer interaction (XCI) principle focuses on clear vision buttons, easy navigation, immediate feedback when users interact. It also considers button sizes and placement and simplicity of design. These help improve overall experience UI, user experience for UX. Objectives. The main goal of this project are to help manage their daily tasks easily, to create a simple and neat interface, to make the app easy to understand for all users, to apply basic UI and UX principle to the design.
Hello, Sir Mobert. Here in problem statement, many people have difficulty keeping track of their daily tasks. This usually happens because they forget important activities or the systems they use are too complicated. In some cases, poor web design also makes things confusing, which makes it harder for users to navigate and understand the system. Because of these issues, like they forget important activities, some systems are too complex, poor web design causes confusion. Because of these issues, these users often become less productive and feel frustrated when managing their tasks. Here in proposed solution, our proposed solution is to develop a simple web-based to-do list system. The system allows users to add tasks, mark them as completed, and delete them when they are done. The main goal is to make the task management quick and easy to use for users without adding unnecessary features that could confuse the users. Here in our scope and limitations, for the scope of the system, it is accessible through web browsers, which means users can use it without installing anything. It focuses on basic task management features such as adding, completing, and deleting tasks. The interface is also simple and responsive, it easy to use on different screen sizes. However, there are some limitations. The system does not support cloud syncing, so data is only stored locally on this device or the device. It also does not include user accounts or advanced features, since the goal is to keep the system simple and easy to use. Here in system design, the system was first designed using Figma. We started with basic wireframes to plan the layout, followed by a simple design, then the final interface prototype. The design focuses on simplicity. Puta! One, two, three. System design. The system was the first designed using Figma. We started with basic wireframes to plan the layout, followed by a simple design and the final interface prototype. The design focuses on simplicity with clear buttons and easy navigation, so users can easily understand how to use the system. Overall, the goal of this design is to make the interface clean, simple, and user-friendly. Now in HCI or UI and UX principles. In designing the system, we applied several principles. First is consistency, where the layout and design remain uniform throughout the system. Second is visibility, ensuring that buttons and actions are clear and easy to see. Third is feedback, where users receive instant responses when they interact with the system. We also applied simplicity. Shit. We also applied simplicity by keeping the interface minimal and clean, and accessibility to make sure it can be used easily by all users. These principles help improve the overall user experience for our users.
Hello, Sir Mobart. In this slide is called System and Development. The system was developed as a web application using HTML, CSS, and React.js. HTML builds the structure, CSS handles the design, and React.js makes the app fast and interactive, while having dynamic updates, faster user interaction, and component-based design. And next slide, and the slide is called Conclusion and Summary. The TaskFlow web system provides a simple and effective solution for task management. It includes improved productivity, reduce user confusion, and applies HCI principle in web design. Next is in team project shows the members of this TaskFlow project presentation. First is Kurt Francis Ebrada, next is Jared K. Tapon, and lastly Medel Kyle Cabrillo. And that's for our presentation, and I hope and thank you for listening.